guys, welcome back to Jazzy61. So today I'm going to be doing my grocery haul for the next 2 weeks. I was doing it for 1 week, but I'm going to do it for every 2 weeks now. I'm going to show you everything that we got from Walmart just now. I spent about $191. There was one thing that I did want to get back, but I didn't. I ended up keeping it, so I'm going to have to dilute it in some way. I'll show you that in a minute. There were a few substitutions. I'll tell you those as I go as well. I'm going to go as quickly as I can because my lunch is getting cold. The man is already eating. So let's get into the haul. Start on this end of the counter here. So I did get some more sliced cheese. I wanted some provolone for my sandwiches for here in the future. I got another thing of mushrooms. I like to eat those in a sauce that I make for pasta as well as for chicken and things like that. We got some more turkey breasts. We were out. I got myself some more of these bum pops. I like them, and I usually nibble on one of them when it gets really hot outside. Some heavy whipping cream. This goes in the sauce I was speaking about, as well as this Parmesan cheese. I got some Fiesta blend cheese for tacos and fajitas. This was a substitute. It was supposed to have been one big bag, but I ended up getting 2 little bags of this mozzarella cheese. We got another gallon of milk. As my son said, eats oatmeal every single day. So his milk is about to expire. He's almost out of it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Some grilled chicken breast. I use those for many different things, so they're just really nice to have on hand. Some Bouillon Cubes, the beef ones. I got 2 of those. And I also got the sauce, the seasoning, like the container version. My husband wanted both, and some black pepper. We are out. I got some more tuna in water, 2 cans. I just made it yesterday, so we don't have any more. These little bottles of water are actually for my son. The grocery stores do not have the big containers anymore, so I had to get the little ones. Hold on one second. I'm back. So the grocery stores did not have the full-size bottles. They only had these. I had the 12-pack for the full-size bottles yesterday, but they were gone today. So I got 4 of these small ones. He does not drink any other water. I tried to give him something different today. He would not drink it at all. So we got 4 little containers of water for him. Some more seasoned French fries. I'm going to make burgers again at some point, probably within the next week or so. Shredded lettuce. This one just looks so sad. This is why I like going in the store myself, but I can't right now, so I'm going to do what I got. Got some thick and fluffy vanilla waffles, as well as a bag of spinach. I'm going to use that in my my sauce this time. These are my husband's V8, the sweet greens. He's got 2 of them, and the pomegranate and blueberry, he has 4. They were out of the other greens, so I didn't get that one for him. My son's little pouches that he likes to eat, I got 4 of this kind, and they would only allow me to get 1 of this one, so that'll be probably fine for now. Hopefully we can find some more later on. I got an 18 count of eggs, 2 things of ground beef. They did have beef. They also had ground turkey, so I got some of that as well, but they're kind of bleedy, so that's why they're still in the bag. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the freezer just so they can go ahead and freeze over. I got another pizza cutter because mine walked away from our apartment before we moved. A potato peeler. I broke ours. And I got some sweeper wet pads for cleaning the floors. I want to do it a couple times a week, but I needed some more. Some gentle exfoliating Dove soap. I only have 1 bar left, so I went ahead and got some more of that. Prime rib burger patties. They were brisket. I like the brisket ones they had last time. They were out, so I got this one instead. This is a container of ground turkey. We got a 5-pound bag of drumsticks. This thing's like $5, so I'll always get it, and then I can use half of it and then cook the other half later on. We have a thing of bananas. I end up getting 7, so I always have to get an extra one. But my husband is out. Well, he has 2 over there. So him and my son both eat the bananas, so I want to make sure they had what they needed. I got a small bushel of tomatoes because we're going to go to Sam's and get some. So I got some to last us through tomorrow. Here is the thing I was going to substitute that they substituted I did not want. We don't eat this kind. It's really spicy, and my little one can't take it. So there's 3 of them. I don't know how I would dilute those. I'll have to figure something out, but I'll do that later on. I got 3 of his yogurts, the strawberry banana Stonyfield. I'm glad this place has them because the last Walmart did not. Got some Breyers vanilla ice cream. I wanted some of that, so I went ahead and got me a small container of it. No, Kai, don't touch that, buddy, okay? Mama has to clean it. We got a supreme pizza. This was a substitution as well. It was a different one, but this is the one they swapped it for. And then I like the brick oven crust, so I got that pizza as well. We have a small lasagna for us to eat. I like to make this every now and again if I don't have anything to cook. I got myself some baguettes because I'm going to make my sandwiches with these over the next week. I got some plain tortilla shells. These are going to be for the tacos as well as for the fajitas I make. And we got burger buns. Okay guys, so I was going to go ahead and add the Sam's Club order into it. We're supposed to get it tomorrow actually. But somehow when my husband was in the grocery store a little bit ago trying to find a mower for us to cut the grass, he got a message saying that our grocery order at Sam's was ready for pickup today. So we just went ahead and went and picked it up. So I'll show you guys all the stuff that we got once we get home. After we get through all this hit traffic. Anybody got time for all this? I'll show you guys in a little bit. We got a mower, guys. So now we're going to go home and cut the grass. And then after the grass is cut, cook up some din-din. Okay guys, we're back home. I'm going to show you the couple of things that we just got from Sam's Club to complete our groceries for the next couple of weeks. And then I'll close out the video. Alright guys, so here is the stuff that we just got. We got pull-ups for our son. We have not been able to find the size 7 diapers anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and try to transition into pull-ups. And hopefully he'll kind of start to potty train. He already does like most of the potty training stuff. So hopefully these will be good transitioning into, as I said, potty training. We got some turkey breasts. I know I got some earlier, but these are actually, they're really good, the ones that come from Sam's. So my husband got another thing of turkey breasts. We got 2 things of tomatoes. You guys saw I got a little thing of tomatoes earlier, but we didn't know that the grocery order was going to be done today because today wouldn't have it available anytime slots until tomorrow. So now we have the tomatoes, a bag of Halo oranges. I wanted a different type of fruit this time instead of strawberries because the strawberries have not been that great from anywhere. You know, you kind of got to pick through them in the store, and I'm not available. I can't do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get oranges instead of the strawberries. We got 2 things of the maple brown sugar oatmeal. They only allow you to order 1 for the club pickup, but my husband went inside and got another one because, as I said, my son goes through these like it's nothing. They go through them like water. I'm not kidding. He loves these little oatmeal packets, and he's getting to the point where he's eating more than 1 at a time. So we had to get more of it because we're almost out. Another bag of red onions as we are down to our last red onion right now. So this is going to be great for us to have when we start back, you know, making our sauces with our veggies and things like that. And we got some Seedless Grapes. This is my other fruit that I'm going to start to eat more of. As I said, I don't want to do strawberries right now, and everything else just kind of has not tasted too great. We got everything that we need for the next 2 weeks or so. We still have stuff in the pantry, as in, you know, canned goods, potatoes, breads, rice, beans, things like that. So we should be good for the next couple of weeks until we need more meats and things. I'm going to go out here and help my husband. He is assembling our lawnmower. I don't want him to break something. And then we can get the grass cut this evening. Thank goodness, because I have been running a trail in the backyard. I've worn down a patch back there from running so much. And I don't like my little one playing in the grass when it's too high either. So I'm going to go ahead and go and do that one. Thank you guys again for watching my videos. Please be on the lookout for the next one. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes on Saturday if I do not post on Friday at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.